What is managed optimized bandwidth? Managed optimized bandwidth, quite simply, is a proprietary product and service that we have developed in David's Barter community. We have developed a social marketing, social network technology platform that drives traffic to our community. We purchased bandwidth to make that happen. So in the big picture, the community purchases bandwidth from some internet service providers. We purchased some bandwidth from Rackspace, a couple different sources of bandwidth that we have purchased. And our objective as a community is to bring that traffic through the bandwidth to the front door of the community, and then ultimately to our community landing pages, the 10,000 community landing pages that we will have in the community. Our technology, our social network technology, allows us to guarantee traffic to individual landing pages by our knowledge and our use of small business keywords. Small business keywords bring the traffic to the community because of our knowledge and understanding of the Google algorithms that tell somebody who is looking for a particular something to David's Barter communities where they can find it. If you want to really look to see how our technology has worked since February, since we started really developing it, just Google David's Barter, all one word, or Google Small Biz David. Make sure you put it in quotation marks. We know that putting in a quotation mark works. We're not quite sure yet why we have to do it. That's another story. But that's the positioning that we have been able to develop for the brands that we have put in the marketplace, David's Barter and Small Biz David. By you developing your own community marketing profile, which you can do complimentary, and by you having that profile on your own community landing page, by your use of the keywords that we use in the community. You can find those keywords every day by going to the community bulletin board and seeing the YouTube videos that we do. Those are the keywords that we develop every day. By your use of those keywords on your landing page, you will be able to have traffic drivable to your page. And then our managed optimized bandwidth, because these landing pages are very optimized, very Google-ized. We've demonstrated with my own landing page. There's my own landing page at davidsbarter.com/smallbizdavid. It's an administrative text there. This is my personal landing page, and that's a good place for you to start so you can see what is actually available to you, because everything new that is available will be tested on my own landing page, and I'll have probably I have at least a dozen landing pages right now, and every week we create more landing pages when we see opportunities to generate cash flow on these landing pages. On my particular page, we are offering 10,000 charter lifetime members as mentors of entrepreneurship to our community, into the Small Biz David Foundation, dedicated to starting new businesses with small business collaboration. Not only will you take your learnings of business in general but what is happening in the community, and take it to another entrepreneur who wants to start a business. We need more new businesses started now than I have ever seen in my 41 years of being involved in small business experiences. There are not enough new jobs being created. On the average, in the last 28 months, there's only been 153,000 new jobs created. The Kaufman, on a monthly basis, on the average, the Kaufman Foundation told us almost 3 years ago that if our economy was going to get back to any sense of normalcy, we'd have to create 300,000 new jobs every month for a period of 36 consecutive months to get back to some type of normalcy that we saw 4 years ago, 5 years ago. That is only going to happen by the starting of new businesses, because each new business started creates job number one for that entrepreneur who started the business. And as that business grows, additional jobs can be created, will be created. We have demonstrated very clearly to ourselves that our managed, optimized bandwidth that is directed to our very optimized, very Google-ized community landing pages, it works for us and it will work for you. Managed, optimized bandwidth is available for 100 days at $6 a day, for 200 days at $5 a day, for 400 days at $4 a day. You make the choice of what is working for you. And to get you started, we are offering in the community 10,000 entrepreneurs a community landing page for a testing and trial period, complimentary, of 50 days. Why don't you find out how managed, optimized bandwidth can work for you?